Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the default or the setup by the game. You can get this player by spending your points in the founders page. So what you need to do is tap the founders banner on your screen. This is the founders banner. So I'm the current limit of this scouting point, because I'm already spent this counting point in this store, player searching store. I've got a random dude in this because I have to try my luck. So this is a guarantee reward, but it's like lucky draw, not set not default or set by the game. But you can get these guys: James Madison, Roberto Firmino. Let's get back. And Enzo Fernandez. The last one is Mpanzu from Congo. You can get these guys uh, without a random lucky draw. But you must have a 3,000 scouting points required. So this is a roadmap to get this medicine, to get this player. For example, you have to spend until 400 scouting points. You can get this random guy over here, and you can decide what line or what's the road you are taking on until finish. You can get this guy medicine, and also this Firmino also do this way. Enzo Fernandez and Mpanzu, this four guy is pioneer player, so I recommend you save your scouting points now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.